Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing great at your home. I am back with your English reading video for class 3rd, and the topic we are doing today is sequence. So, before starting with the questions, let's learn the meaning of sequence. So, let's learn the meaning of sequence. Sequence को हिंदी में क्रम कहते हैं. Sequence means a number of things, actions, events, etc. that happen or come one after another. एक के बाद लगातार दूसरा काम होना, लगातार उसी के बाद क्रम में काम होना, उसे सीक्वेंस कहते हैं. So let's begin with our questions. Okay students, now the questions which is given here, arrange the given words in meaningful sequence. We are given some options, we have to make them in order so that they will make a meaningful sequence. For example, have a look on the options: envelope, delivery, post box, clearance, letter. We are given some options, we have to find out that what are they asking, what order are they asking. For example, here posting letter or related to post office, the sequence is given. We all know that to post a letter or to to posting anything, we need, first of all, we need envelope. So A option will come here, A. Then okay, have a look on the answers. It is starting with D, D, C. So obviously this one is starting with A. So to make sure we move further, after envelope we need letter. Yes, E will come here. Then post box, we go to post box. Then we give delivery, and then we need a clearance. First of all, to post anything we need clearance, then delivery will be done. So this option is correct. Now come to second question, where room, lock, key and door is given. We have to find out which order are they asking for. So room, lock, key, door. We can also see that the size of the things are given. For example, key is the smallest one, then after key, lock, then door, and then room. We can also find out like this. So just we all just have to give a logical thinking that how can we find out the answer. So I am thinking, I am finding it in the right way, that key is the smallest one, smallest size out of these four. So key, lock, door and room. Room is the biggest one out of all. So C, B, D, A. C, B, D, A. This one is correct. I hope you all understood. Students, now come to third question, where forest, furniture, wood and trees are given. We just have to find out that how we get our furniture. We have to see the sequence. First of all, forest. Forest is there where wood, we find trees. We find trees. In forest we find trees, and from trees we get woods, and from wood we get furniture. So this way we can make the sequence, meaningful sequence, from A, D, C, B. So yes, we can find out in the options A, D, C, B. So this one is correct. Now come to fourth question, where birth, death, funeral, marriage, education is given. We can easily find out by giving it a logical thinking, that how it comes out, how it will make a meaningful sequence. First we take birth, obviously. First we take birth, then we take education, So A, E. After education we get married, so marriage. A, E, D. Then the last stage of our life is death, so death. A, E, D, B, C. A, E, D, B, C. Yes, we can find it in our answer. So this way, by logical thinking, by putting logical thinking, you can find out the answers easily. I hope you all are getting. Students, now come to fifth question, where site, plan, rent, money, building is given. What we can do is, definitely we have to give it a pause, give it a think, that first of all we should have a money. So D, money. Then we go to site, then we plan for something, to what to buy or what to sell. Okay, so money, site, plan, building. We get building, we purchase building, and then we give it on rent. So this way, this will make meaningful sequence. So D, A, B, E, C. This is the right answer. Now come to sixth question, where cutting, dish, vegetable, market and cooking is given. Now this can be easily find out that first we go to market to buy the vegetable, right? So D, C. Then when we get a vegetable to our home, what we do is cutting, then we cook, and then we make dish. This way you can find out your answer. So first of all, what you have to do is, C is D, C, A, E, B. So find out D, C, A, E, B. Yes, this is the right answer. This way, just give it a pause, just give it a think, just give it a second to think that what the question is all about and what are they asking, what will be the meaningful sequence. So please just think about it, and you can do it very easily. You will enjoy this sequence topic. Now come to seventh question, where trillion, thousand, billion, hundred and million is given. This is also very easy. First of all, we are starting with smallest to bigger number. So we can find out that 100. Obviously 100 is the smallest number from out of these 5. So 100 means D. So we can find out here also in the option that where D is given. First option is D. So where D is given, it means A and A is given. It means these both are these two are wrong. So we have to find out from these two. So 100 and then 1000, 100, 1000, billion, million and trillion. So how we can find out is D, B, C, E, A. D, B, C, E, A. Yes, we can find out our answer easily like this. Now come to eighth and last part of this series, this question series. Word, paragraph, sentence, letters, phrase is given. Now here also we put logical thinking and see what will be the smallest smallest series of these words. So first of all we take letter, because letter is the smallest series. So D, smallest letter, then after letter word, D, A, then phrase. Obviously after word phrase will come, then sentence, the line or the sentence will come, and then at the last paragraph will come, because paragraph is the biggest one out of these 5. So D, A, E, C, B, this one is correct. I hope you all have got the answers, and you all have got how to do the sequence worksheet, sequence questions. Let's discuss the homework. I will discuss only one question with you, and then when you start doing these questions, you will enjoy this work. So here, police, punishment, crime, judgment, judge is given. We all know that first of all, crime will be done, crime would be done, and then police will come here. Okay, so crime, police, then we go to judge. Okay, then the judgment will be done, and according to the judgment the punishment will be done, given. So C A E D B, C A E D B. So this answer will be, this option will be correct. I hope you all have enjoyed and you all have understood about the sequence. You all can do it very easily by yourself. Do not take anybody's help. Only practice will make you perfect. Students, I will be sending you 5 questions in homework. I hope you will do it yourself. Just practice it, and then you will definitely get to know about it. So this is it for this class. I'll see you in another class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.